Swiss 304, in fact, descend altitude 3,000 feet now, further with the glide path.
Landing 3,000 feet with the glide path at 394.
Berlin 1503, descent at altitude 5,000 feet, QNH is 1028 millibars, range is 17 miles.
Berlin 1503, descending altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1028 millibars.
Swiss 3904, speed 160 knots until 4 miles.
Speed of slowly under 4.
Berlin 1503, speed 190 knots.
Berlin 1503, speed 190.
Delta 20 Tango, descend 560 now, and lead down 20 Tango, thanks a lot. Effective to the RS on runway 23 right.
20 Tango, Alpha Golf. Okay, right, Alpha Golf, Emirates 17.
Roger 120, that's 125, good day.
J4 Charlie Echo, by Julie 1 line up and way 239.
Julie 1, let up wait 23 right, GC4 Charlie Echo.
Swiss 3904, contact the tower, 118.625.
118.625, Swiss 394, bye-bye.
Berlin 1503, turn left heading 265 degrees, descent at altitude 4,000 feet.
Berlin 153, okay, 1 to 185, right.